Let's talk about how to fix Forza Horizon to overheating issue in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
The first pit stop for any performance issue is always your drivers. Make sure you're running the absolute latest versions from NVIDIA. Then, or until as new game-ready drivers often include crucial optimizations for titles like Forza Horizon. And outdated drivers can lead to instability and increased thermal load, so keep them fresh. Forza Horizon is absolutely stunning, but those breathtaking visuals can push your put to its limits. Dive into the game's graphics, settings, and consider lowering demanding options like reflections, shadows, environmental textures, or disabling ray tracing. If it's enabled, finding the sweet spot between visual fidelity and performance is key to reducing heat and maintaining smooth gameplay. Sometimes the problem isn't software, it's your hardware's ability to dissipate heat. Ensure your case has good airflow with clean fans and radiators free of dust bunnies that choke out. Proper ventilation. Consider repositioning your rig for better thermal exchange, or even investing in additional case fans or a more robust cooler if your current setup struggles to keep things chill under load. For advanced users, adjusting your power management settings or even undervolting can make a significant difference. Tools like Afterburner allow you to fine-tune power, limit clock speeds and voltage, potentially reducing heat generation without a major hit to performance. Always research specific guides for your model before attempting undervolting, but it can be a powerful solution for those passed by overheating issues.